just in Komoka. I've already been through 2 or 3 kilometers or so, which was kind of rough. Walked up a big hill. It was fun, like a fun rough. And now I'm just in this really nice forested area. Definitely would recommend, if you go the other way, if it's not dry, I'm sure it's a muddy walk. This way seems actually a lot more manicured and harder ground. But obviously if it rains hard. But the other way, I think, takes a while to dry up. Whereas this side you'd be okay within a day or 2, I'm sure. Very nice walk. The lake's just over to my right. Or not lake, sorry, river. And it's nice, very quiet. I think on the weekend it seems to be a lot busier. So we got the, I don't know if you can kind of see, yeah. Got the river down there, way down there. And yeah, it's fairly well maintained. Like I said, if you want to enjoy peace and quiet, I think now is the time to go. If you want to be, and even maybe for safety, if you wanted to be here when it's a little busier, then you're looking at Saturday or Sunday, maybe Friday. This nice bench there. And again, you can see the river way down there. Might be able to get down there. I don't want to take too long of a video, so likely not. Maybe I'll make another clip if I can get down there. So, if you're in the area of Komoka, I would highly suggest to come down here. It's very, very nice. Very peaceful. Lots of birds. Haven't seen any snakes, which was odd considering the terrain I was walking in. I'm gonna go with this way. But for probably many of you, that's a good thing. So, just an FYI. Have not seen deer either, but that is surprising but not surprising at the same time. I'm sure there are some in here. Just birds. Saw a toad. That was kind of cool because you don't usually see toads anymore. They hide well. So while you're walking by, it's hard to see them. But yeah, that's a... Other than the hill that I walked up, this is probably the nicest stretch so far. Very well maintained. You got lots of trail room. The foliage is well off, like it gives you lots of room, so you don't have to worry about scraping by poison ivy. And I haven't really seen any down here, so that's also a good thing, especially for pets, and especially to keep away from ticks. It's nice to walk down a nice open trail that's still a trail and not like pavement. I think there's other parts in here that are either pavement or just wide open gravel, dirt. So there's also so many loops in here, which is also nice because it just, I don't know about y'all watching, but I don't like walking down the same stretch, like going one way and then coming back. I'll do it, and sometimes it's nice. There's a trail around here that is very nice, and I don't mind that. But generally speaking, it's nice to have loops. And with all of the loops in here, you can spend like 2-3 hours, or you can spend like 15 minutes, half an hour, probably even 45, like probably in 15-minute increments. So that part's really nice too, is you can kind of pick and choose based on how much time you have for the day. I'll probably be back here for 3 hours. I'm going to try to do every section in here. Oop, that's not good. Somebody left their doggy bag. Don't like to see that. And I think, like, without going all environmentalist on everybody, I think it really is important to leave as you came without a trace. You know, carry that coffee cup back. One popular thing that I do if I'm coming back on the same trail, if I have a coffee, is I'll put my coffee right side up, and then on the way back, put it right off right beside the trail so you can see it. And when I come back, I'll pick it up just so I don't have to carry it the one way. But it is very important to try not to disturb, that way we can all enjoy it. Us, the animals, nature can do its thing, and we can all live in harmony. So that's always nice. Just missed a little fish jumping. Likely a bass if it's jumping. There's probably a lot of carp in here, but they don't when they jump, they seem to do large jumps, at least in my experience, and not too many small carp. That's it. It's gonna be a 5-minute clip, but I got down to the river a lot sooner. So it's nice. Lots of people do fishing down here too, it seems. I've seen a few. And I know I've done some fishing myself in different parts. So highly recommend coming out here. Again, this is in Komoka. You'll have to look that up on your maps if you don't know where it is. Highly, highly recommend coming here, especially with the versatility. Like I said, I think that is definitely the highlight, definitely one of the main ones, is the versatility with all the different loops. Can really kind of pick and choose depending on how much time you have, and it's beautiful, it's peaceful. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. This channel is a weird one. I'm not really sure if I want to stay or if I want to go, but I will try to put out more videos, and I hope you enjoy them. All right.